Also important to have a good attitude. And over here in success, what a good attitude means is to be thankful to Hashem, to be thankful for all the failures that you had that helped you have success. To be thankful for Hashem for giving you the success that you don't deserve by yourself. Not that we don't deserve anything, but we just have to understand that we're beings that are dependent on the mercy of Hashem, and Hashem gave us this success, so we should be happy rather than seeing it as a personal thing I manage, which makes it at the end come out that when there's failure, then you come to, it's basically a selfish thing. And when it comes to failure, then you do the opposite. You start saying, oh, problem, it's that problem. You don't take blame for yourself. You're not willing to accept it. But a good attitude means in all situations, accepting and accept the situation, whether good or bad, and basically be happy about it. Accept the situation, accept it, no matter what it is, accept it, and choose to have a good attitude about it. That's the idea.